2019 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS. As a Carfax one-owner vehicle, enjoy extra advantages such as having less normal wear and tear. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.